Why are people still using synthetic hair? It's time to make the switch to natural hair today. Synthetic hair might look great at first, but it doesn't take long before it starts causing more problems than it solves. We're talking about breakage, tangling and irritation. Natural hair, on the other hand, breathes better, styles easier and feels fantastic. Plus, it complements your natural beauty in a way synthetic hair never can. Imagine waking up without the itchiness or the constant need for detangling. Natural hair is healthier, more sustainable and kinder to your scalp. You'll not only look great but feel amazing too, so why settle for less? Make the switch to natural hair today and experience the difference. Your hair deserves the best, and so do you.